everybody. Gonna be making some homemade tortillas. And so this is the flour that I've been using that I really like. And I'm gonna be using some warm water. So it depends on how much tortillas you want to make. I'm gonna make a really big amount. So I've been selling tacos and I make about 65 to 70. So there's that. So then I just add the water slowly. And just go like that as I go. Like that. I usually don't measure, I just go at it. Because usually the measurements like on the back really don't work sometimes. So I just slowly add warm water as I go. If it feels sticky, just add more flour. So the entire bag so far makes about 65 to 70 little medium size like that. It all depends on the size of your tortilla. That's how much I'll be making. So you can make more if you make them smaller. By the way, I switched hands because I don't know why I'm using my left hand. So just keep kneading it just like that, you know, turning it over. Try to get some of the powder in the bottom and just put on the wet spots. If you need more from the bag, just grab a little more. Just like that. I'm just gonna keep doing this or kneading it until all this comes off and it's not sticky. And just grab it, just put it all there. So just like a dough like that, as you can see, it's getting a whole lot better. It's almost there. So just keep kneading it until it feels a little more dry. Not dry, but not too moist. And like I said, little parts like this that you feel like are kind of like sticky. Get a little bit from the bag and just go like this. You know, just keep kneading it. Find another little spot. You know, just add flour like that. So I'm almost there. You can see it's almost there. So I add flour on the bottom like this because it kind of helps it. As you can see, it's getting way better. It's almost done. And as you see, my hands are clean. That means it's pretty much done. Okay, so just like that, I'm gonna go ahead and make the little balls. It all depends on how big you want your tortilla. So then you just put them to the side like that. Just go like that, just keep going, and just add how many you have in the end. So I'll be right back. So just like that. And they're just gonna keep lining them up like this. Okay, so as you can see, I'm still going. I have that and this one left. This is how many I got so far. I'm making them about this size. Not too big, not too small, just kind of medium. Kind of small, but not too small. Something like that. I just wait till the end and then I'll count them and see how many I got. So I have my comales like this, as you can see. I already have them on so they can warm up. I make sure that they're hot before I put the tortilla on there. Okay, so they've been on there for a little bit and they're kind of hot now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the tortillas on there slowly. Okay, so here's all my tortillas. I'm gonna go ahead and count them and see how many I got. Okay, so I counted about 90. So I'm gonna start on my first one. So I just go like this. Try to make it as round as you can. Okay, so go up and down and sideways. Go to the sides like this. It won't ever, it won't always be like very round, but just try to do your best. You can fix little parts like that. Okay, so grab it, just like that. And just put it on there like that. Okay, so that one's done, as you can see. And then just cover it up like that. Before I roll it, I like to flatten it out like this. You just flip it over, just like that. They cook really fast too because they're not like huge. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can follow me on my YouTube under Rach Love 512. Thank you. Have a blessed day.